Okay, now for question 3, we're going to look at page 60 of the textbook. So do refer to textbook page 60. Now, they say that oxygen and hydrogen are gaseous elements. Okay, let me scroll this out a bit. They exist as diatomic molecules. When they react together, they form the compound water. Would the properties of water be similar to oxygen and hydrogen? Okay, so now this is the first thing here. Oxygen and hydrogen, these are elements. Okay, elements. And we know from the previous question that I mentioned that water is actually a compound. Now, if you take a look at page 60 of your textbook, you realize under the differences between compound and mixture, just look at the property of compound. Okay, properties of compound. It has this sentence over there that says the physical, okay, and chemical properties, okay, properties of a compound are different. Okay, they are different from those of its constituent elements. Okay, so what does it mean? Now, in terms of the physical property, let's think about it carefully. Water is a liquid, okay, while oxygen and hydrogen is a gas. Sorry, are are gases. So you can see in terms of the physical property, it is different. Okay, it is different. So we know that the properties are different. Now, what is the other thing that we know that's different? Now, we do know that hydrogen is actually flammable. Hydrogen is flammable, but water is not flammable. Instead, we actually use water to put out fire. Okay, so there are differences in terms of the chemical and physical properties between water compared to oxygen and hydrogen. So what is all this about? All this really is about knowing, okay? I put again here, knowing that the physical and chemical properties of a compound are different from those of its constituent element. So if I were to change the wording, it will say that the physical and chemical properties of water are different from hydrogen and oxygen. So I hope this question 3, you're able to understand a bit more what they're trying to ask, and also knowing where to get the answer really from. So it's really from textbook page 60.